Attention. Attention is the cognitive process of selectively concentrating on one aspect of the environment while ignoring other stimuli. It is a vital component of human consciousness, enabling us to focus on relevant information, filter out distractions, and achieve our goals. In today's world, attention is a scarce resource. With the constant bombardment of notifications, social media, and digital stimuli, it's easy to get distracted and lose focus. However, attention is essential for learning, productivity, and mental well-being. There are different types of attention, including sustained attention, selective attention, and divided attention. Sustained attention involves maintaining focus over a prolonged period, while selective attention requires focusing on specific stimuli amidst distractions. Divided attention involves processing multiple sources of information simultaneously. Attention can be improved through practice, training, and strategies such as mindfulness, meditation, and goal setting. Additionally, minimizing digital distractions, creating a conducive environment, and taking breaks can help optimize attention. The consequences of poor attention can be severe, leading to decreased productivity, increased stress, and diminished cognitive performance. Conversely, cultivating attention can lead to improved mental clarity, enhanced creativity, and a greater sense of fulfillment. In conclusion, attention is a precious resource that requires intentional cultivation. By understanding its mechanisms, implementing strategies to improve it, and minimizing distractions, we can harness the power of attention to achieve our goals and thrive in an increasingly complex world.